Sleek and stylish. That is the best way to describe this 60x60 4-burner freestanding gas cooking range from Super General. The cooker features highly efficient Europool burners equipped with flame failure safety device that let you prepare several dishes at the same time. Sturdy and elegant enamel finish cast iron grids ensure longevity and durability, while the easy-to-use push-button knob controls and the auto-ignition feature provide convenience and safety when cooking. The double-glass oven door provides a heat-resistant surface which is safe to touch, and the removable inner glass door of the oven cavity makes cleaning convenient. This gas cooking range can operate on both LPG and natural gas. The splash protection glass serves as a lid for the burners when not in use and protects your wall and tiles from splashes when cooking with oil or preparing sauces. The oven has a dish warmer function and also a grill function, allowing you to sear or grill to perfection and enjoy restaurant-style food for the entire family. Technology, aesthetics, and simplicity has been integrated in this made in Turkey Super General model to bring joy of healthy, homemade meals for the whole family. Enjoy super taste with Super General.